Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. As you can see, our hangar has little airplanes in it now. As you've seen in yesterday's episode, the wings came back on, which means it would definitely not fit in this door. So here's back to the original hangar. Huge thanks to the school E&A for letting us use this while we can. It was very cool. Very cool. I kind of miss it. So I'm kind of sad. I'm going to miss this hangar. But like I said in yesterday's episode, we're going to try to put that DC-3 in another hangar. So let's do some time travel and travel back to yesterday. Okay, folks, we're back in time. This is yesterday, and we've just put the wings on, and now we have the challenge to see if this DC-3 with the wings will fit in that hangar. We were in this hangar, now we got to go to that hangar. So the Master Trent is in the little green goblin here, and let's see if he can get here in. Place your bets, folks. Again, place your bets. Well, Trent, what's the plan?
Well, we're gonna get past this King Air. We're gonna move. They're gonna move the King Air out of the way. It's just a bit. They can just dump it off to the side there. So it's been a while since I pulled a tail dragger around. So I'm thinking of backing that way and having the nose facing here, bringing the airplane in, and once we clear this power box, air looks like a pressurization card. Once we clear this, with the wingtip coming up here, like it'll be like the tip of the wing will be the left wing will be in here somewhere, and the nose will be right about there, and then we'll chalk the left main on the front side so that nose can't move anymore, and then we'll do the tail swing into the back end. And because we'll already be in a bit, that full 95 feet, we won't have to utilize it. So that's our plan. That's what we're gonna try.
How wide is this?
The opening there is, they say it's 85 feet. So, and I've heard the rumor, not the rumor, but I've heard the statements of it's 93 feet to 95 feet. The book says 95 feet, but we'll see from there. And then these stairwells are actually, gives us 4 feet room on either side. So if we even cleared there, we would still be tight coming in on this side. But we'll play with it. It's a beautiful day. We got the wings on, and the Jean there, he is all bound and determined, and he has lots of faith in us. So we got to deliver. I like these challenges, though. That's what I do. When somebody tells me I can't put an airplane in something, I'm gonna get one in there.
Ronnie.
Well, you'd always take the wings back off.
You did it, Trent! What do you think?
Well, actually I was getting a little, well, when I take on a challenge like that, you know, sometimes my brain says yes before I can do it. So, but I couldn't have done it without the ground support here, because all the thumbs up and people chalking and nunchucking and tow barring, and like, man, this made it all worthwhile. So, but it's good to see. It's an awesome feeling.
Look at that, folks. My GoPro is dead. But look, she is in the hangar. Very cool. Who would have ever thought? I don't think it's practical, but she's in there. Today is May 19th, 2019, and this is episode 138 of PlaneSavers. As you can see, folks, we're in the big hangar. Isn't that insane? Look how close. Look, here's the wing. It's hard to. There's the wingtip. There's the stairs. There's the door. So not only did Trent have to deal with the door ending right here, the stairs. There's the wing. And folks, it's the exact same on the other side. This is so good. Pierre's in the cockpit, Fred's in the nose, everyone's giving her. Oh, what's happening?
It's getting these engine covers put on and trying to get the cowl flaps open so we get a screwdriver in here.
Oh, sounds good. And there's Stella on the other side. Hey, Stella. Pretty close fit, eh?
Huh. I'm gonna paint the wing now, look at that.
See, folks, look at that. There's that swing, there's the stairs, and there's the door. Oh, Benoit's up there. How's it going? Oh, the radio's going over there. I can't get too close to radio because you can't use other people's music on YouTube. There's Benoit. Bonjour. And Stella's gonna start painting underneath the wings. Look at that, folks. Ailerons. Ailerons today, Benoit was mentioning this morning. Once we get the ailerons on, that's the first time this airplane has been technically complete. Jeff's working just tirelessly on the back here. He was, while we were towing and doing everything, Jeff was in the tail, running all the cables. Luckily, the Basler and the DC-3 are quite similar still in the back end, which is really good. We got Robert over here. Robert,
Good morning.
you're going to be answering the question that everybody's been asking.
Yes.
Are we going to paint the red line on the invasion stripes?
Yes, we are. As a matter of fact, I'm doing it right now, and after that, the roundel will be placed smack in the middle, and it's going to be just beautiful. Have yourself a super day, Mikey.
This thing looks pretty fancy.
It is fancy. So we checked the pitot static, and it's good.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
I didn't even know that, folks. I kind of snuck up on them. That's good news.
Yeah, we kept the information from you. You know. Yeah. So
Right on.
pitot is good. There's almost no leak, which is very surprising. And static. What was the value?
It was 10 feet per minute. Yeah.
It's nothing.
Yeah.
At 10,000 feet, it's nothing. So that's another step. We know your father is going to have airspeed and altimeter working.
Well, that's good. That's good news. Can you guys, Fred, you want to give a quick, what machine is this and what is it doing?
Yeah. So in this case, it's a pump, an automatic pump with the controller here. So we're pressurizing the dynamic pressure to have airspeed, and we're also putting depression, vacuum in the static line to get altitudes. So we set up here with this beautiful control, that keyboard, we set up the target we want, and this is it. The old machines were just, you had to manually vacuum pressurize or depressurize the line which was a pain, but this one is like new technology.
Well, while I was talking with Fred and William, look at this. One aileron's on. What? No montage? No time lapse? No fancy music? I better hurry over and make sure they don't put the other one on while I'm going here. Oh, we're still good. So you guys can see on this side the invasion stripes. So that's just masking tape there. So you can kind of see how they're gonna look. Boom, boom, boom. And then we're gonna have the round L right here. But look at this shot right here. You got Benoit on the top polishing, Stella on the bottom painting. You cannot get more opposite than that. Stella, I like your hat.
I like my hat too. I have to put it on because I already have bleach on my hair and I didn't want to make it any worse. So now people can guess in the comments below what my real hair color is. Let's find out what that is.
Jeez. Okay. Oh, but look at that. Look how good it is. Benoit. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Everything okay, except Stella told me that I cannot go down until I have finished.
Oh. Stella, sponsored by Renault Depot. Turn around here for a second. Renault Depot. No, head back. Head back. Put your head back. There. Sponsored by Renault Depot. There we go.
And PlaneSavers.
Oh, there's the. There we go. So, looking pretty good. Oh, hey. Cool. Here, I'll call you back.
Okay, put that in. Ah.
We're stuck somewhere.
Hi, Mikey. Yeah. No, I know, it's too much paperwork.
Turn 'em on!
You get it on?
Yeah.
The aileron?
No.
There you go.
You get the aileron on yet?
No. Big difference.
Hey, Mikey.
There you go. She's on,
Yes, we got her on. Just doing the finishing touches on the bolts, tightening them up, and we're good.
eh? Right on.
Excellent. Good day.
Are you happy you came back?
Oh my goodness. So happy. Can I thank my family for letting me come back?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, thank you. Tammy, love you. Jody, thanks for the banana bread. It was awesome. And we'll see you on Thursday.
Which Thursday? 2 Thursdays from now?
One Thursday from now. I gotta go get another trailer.
So, Benoit, it's the first time?
Yes.
And how long?
28 years exactly since the plane was complete. For the first time since 28 years, the plane is complete now. This is very amazing.
The first time in 28 years it's complete. While Benjamin's tail cone still isn't on. But yeah, for flight controls, isn't that amazing? Spaghetti Don?
That is unbelievable, the amount of work that's gone into this in the last few weeks. From start to finish. Just don't know what to say.
So Ronnie really wanted to have the ailerons on because of the rigging. So this is the most unvisual progress that is super, super important, is the rigging of the flight controls. Basically, when you're in the yoke, if you do this, ailerons do that. If you do this, elevators do that. And you kick your feet like that, rudder does that. And that is a huge progress when we have that. But it's,
We need Benjamin to put this tail cone back on.
Benjamin,
Where the heck is Benjamin?
Benjamin. We're sans Benjamin. So it's all good, folks. Well, folks, I think I'm going to end the episode here. Huge thank you to everybody. Huge thank you to ENA for emptying out this big hangar and letting us hang out in here. Yeah, the painting, isn't this amazing, folks? Thank you, and thank you for listening, watching, liking, subscribing, and everything. This doesn't have a main sponsor, and because the sponsor is you guys. You know, this isn't sponsored by Breitling or Tim Hortons or anything like that. There's no sponsors on any of these videos, because the sponsors are you. You are the guys and girls that are watching the video and liking, subscribing, and watching the ads and all that stuff. So this is your guys' airplane as much as mine. And I love the process of sharing it with you guys and girls. It's just been so much fun. So we'll see you Monday morning, bright and early, for another episode. PlaneSavers. Bye.